What's going on YouTube? It's me, Austin, here from Railfanning Productions. I figured I would provide a quick update. I'm sure many of you have seen my videos of the GoPro Hero 13 Black unboxing, as well as a couple of video tests I did. Yesterday afternoon, after I woke up, I had to send it back because there was one problem with it, and I think that GoPro needs to address these problems. I was doing a video test specifically in my room for a total of 25 minutes, and I got a message on there saying that it had to be turned off because of it being too hot. Well, it was continuously recording for about 25 minutes and 4K 60 FPS and HDR, high dynamic range. And I already knew straight away that this thing was not going to be practical for railfanning. So what I did is I sent it back to Best Buy, and I got the credit back on to my in-store credit gift card that they reimbursed me for, since the camcorder that I did have, the VX870 that I've had for over a year, was deemed to not be fixable. So that's what they did. So as far as what I'm going to be recording with next, I was looking at two different models. I was looking at the Panasonic Lumix G86 4K camera that also has 4K photo compatibility. And then the second thing that I was looking at as well is the Sony AX100, which is the professional model of the AX33 and the AX53 models. Now, currently, I have an AX33 camera that I still have, the camcorder, I should say. It does still work, however, there's still an error message, and I am willing to bet that the error message was tied to the gimbal that was out of balance. So what I'm hoping for is sometime over the Thanksgiving to possibly Christmas holiday, I am hoping to stag one of these two models if they are giving them 50 to 60% off during Black Friday or even on Cyber Monday. So with that said, if there is going to be an unboxing video, it will be posted on this YouTube channel, and I may do a couple of video quality tests between those two models. But right now, because of money and whatnot, I'm only limited to buying one that I'm going to use for videoing as well as taking pictures. So for the first half of between the first to second to maybe the fourth week, going into the fourth week of November, I'm going to have to record with my phone, which I have no problem doing that because the HDR 10 plus shooting in 4K at 60 frames per second definitely is phenomenal. I'm sure you all have seen those YouTube videos. But anyway, I thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic Halloween holiday.